What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys Stardew Valley Roguelike. So in this new mod you will get 10 unique boss fights, custom floor layouts, floors with unique challenges, custom in-game perks and curses, online leaderboard system, difficulty, scaling and hard mode, and also multiplayer support. So let's show you guys how to install the mod. As usual, all the links will be in the description below. So this will be the two files you'll be needing. First, download Snappy, the mod engine for Stardew Valley. Once that's been downloaded, you can close that window and you'll be in the Nexus. Guys, just have to create a quick account on the Nexus mod. It's very easy. Just put your email, your first and last name, and that's it. And you can just download the mods. Just click the free download button. It doesn't really make a difference because it's just 2-3 megabytes, so you don't have to really pay for the premium unless you want to. Also, guys, support the creator down in the link description below. I'll leave a link to the mod page. If you guys want to donate to him. He did an amazing job. So once that's done, go to the desktop. I just like to drag everything to the desktop, so I'm just gonna drag Snappy and the thing. I already had installed Snappy before, that's why I'm not gonna drag it from the desktop. Once that's done, you have to click extract here, and then you can delete the raw files. So now you get two folders, one for Snappy and one for the mods. So first one you want to open is the Snappy, but before you do that, guys, left click on the shortcut of Stardew Valley and open it. We're just gonna copy, Control C the file path as I just did, as you can see. Then we're gonna open Snappy. Obviously we have Windows, so we're gonna click the Windows one. Once the Windows terminal appears, it's gonna ask you can't find Stardew Valley. So what you're gonna do is copy, Control V it, and it's gonna install. Click one and click enter. There you have it. So the mod engine has been installed. All we have to do is put the mod inside the folder, which this is already created for you guys. So once that's done, you can close the terminal, close Snappy. You don't need it anymore. Everything has been installed. Now you're gonna go over there and you can see a new folder called mods. You're gonna open that. You get 3 folders in here. You don't have to touch anything. Just drag the window to the side and copy the mod file that you extracted, and that's it, guys. You have essentially already installed the mod. But don't open the Stardew Valley icon, as it's not gonna open. It has created you a new shortcut to click from modding APK for Stardew Valley. Open that. It'll open a terminal. Once the terminal has been opened, it's just gonna make sure everything is working and all the mods are supported. For the mod capability, it says you should not mix it with other mods. It can cause issues, so I just recommend just install this mod by itself. And obviously if you have other mods installed, you cannot upload your scores to the leaderboard. So as we're waiting, so Stardew Valley has loaded. Just gonna click load, and you don't have to, as you won't see the new one anymore, so you see the Roguelike. So you just have to click the Roguelike, and as you can see, it's gonna skip the intro. It has nothing, and you're gonna land in a brand new space, guys. So just type your name and your farm. So I'm just gonna quickly type sorry guys, Bakshi Plays. Favorite thing, I'm just gonna put me, cause why not? So as you can see, they just changed the entire layout. It's a whole different Stardew Valley. So if you're a person who just left Stardew Valley because it got bored, there's just a warning, guys. If you have the mods installed, you'll not be able to put your score on the leaderboard. So once you have just click understand, and there you have it. So as you can see, you have some 2 new weapons. So you have a pickaxe, a sword, and fried eggs. So you have all these options. You have this first guy, Mr. Oi. So he just tells you about the new thing. You must defeat all the things. It's entire storyline. I don't want to spoil anything, but I'm just going to show you how to get through the first part of the thing, and then I'm just going to let you guys download the mod by yourself and enjoy it, as I don't want to have any spoilers in this video. So you just have this big thing to move around. It did take me a while. I know it's kind of embarrassing to find how to go down, but I finally figured out that you have to go here and click this thing, and it brings you to here. But there, guys, I'm gonna stop the video here, as I don't want to spoil anything. But that's it for the video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.